Guys, I came downstairs. There was a cat. The cat had gone in the car because I left the door open to go upstairs to look for a wrench. And the cat jumped out of the car, but it got right there. And the other cat was there and they started a conversation, guys. Look at him. For Scar. For Scar. I wish the cats could start a conversation again. Yo, where? The cats were hanging out. They started a conversation. Oh my goodness, I missed that sound. I hope they start again. Come on, guys, do your conversation. Talk. The cats are holding a conversation, guys. Who that? Bonnie?
I said before, right? I said before. I said Bonnie or what?
That different Bonnie, yeah.
You got another Bonnie?
Yeah. Yeah, she bought a different Bonnie too.
You got even more than I want to pick up from you, our Bonnie?
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah, they're different Bonnie.
Where you pick it up from?
For Charles Flow. For Charles Gay. Are you ahead? But I know now.
Oh, you different, a little different.
The Bonnie is Bonnie. We got no one Bonnie who knows shit.
Shipping to Africa.
Hey, mom, anyway, you're not on the ground. I'm going to say, I'm not really sorry to you. People want to pick up my team. Everything. It was
The
fine.
time waiting for you.
Mama, I come in.
All right.
Business before pleasure, Mama.
No, there's my business that, that months.
Yeah.
I understand you trying to, we're all hustling, That way he can come pick up. He can come pick up your things from my house.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
It's going to go viral, you know that? They catch me on your car.
Oh yeah, because there's a certain person on my channel, right? Her name is First Car. She'll do that. If I caught that conversation, she make a show out of that cat. She got so many, some of the cat would just be sitting there eating like this, and that's it. And that video will run for days. And she get thousands of views.
And then one coming to me out of your car.
I'm telling you, it would have been good. It would have been the bomb. Yeah, them cats, they cool down. They probably,
I can't get you money, yeah?
yeah.
Then you driving me. You
No, I ain't driving it. It left why it left inside that I ate.
Nothing left there. They just going to look for food out.
Ah.
Eating an animal now.
I know, you know that the full car.
Yeah.
Yeah, what lady that should come earlier. We're giving your cereal.
Yeah, I heard Mama eating food.
Give your cereal to eat.
My package.
I know. Well, he opened this side, and this side is too tight. So we're going to try this side that is really loose. See that side?
Maybe about the grace of God, I won't be easy to come up.
Yeah. I want been shaking plenty. So
Yeah, Mama, you see how tiny, right?
you see.
Before you tired,
Tiny another thing that the after effect. Don't tell I can't open it one day. Oh. I get flat. In fact, you there. Yeah, I did it on my raw Liberian people now. They raw Liberian English show. Yes. See that guy, people shipping. Now they come and pick up your stuff. Good morning. Come and pick up your stuff. And the gentleman's name is Vani. He ships to Africa. Vani, who the Liberia you ship to?
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
Yeah, he got partner over there at different level.
Maybe.
Who the Liberia? Okay, what it cost? What does it cost for a box this size?
People don't even pay.
What it cost for a box this size?
What size?
That size there. But that length.
This one. I don't know where you got in it though, but you should have big there.
Okay. The full stuff was my niece. Okay.
The food store. It's not that expensive.
Yeah. Yeah, I shared things before. I see nothing. I get nothing other here. So right now,
I think the problem in the country is that government officials who are not just serious from up down. Nobody serious.
take my name and go on YouTube. I went like, bro, I died in Kenya. Go on YouTube. I started making videos because of that. Finally, I shipped a car. I shipped foster carry things, Jerry carry things. I see now. I was there 2 months. They continue or let me come another 7 days. It was a long story. By the time I got on the plane, I collapsed. I died. Brussels, 2 months after I woke up in Brussels. So my heart just, I got whole storage. Yesterday I was over there. I got drum sets and things I was going to send to the people. But I don't want anybody that want to buy things to send to like, bro, contact me. I got like the king size bed, the big comforter for king size bed. I got pillows, I got rolls and stuff like the hotel. They put stuff in the hotel. I got everything sitting. I wanted to ship it to them, but why should I ship it? And I lost, you know? Yeah.
It's our people.
I came and yep, the country got the people is the problem. That's all my people. When you come out, I'll give you my name. You look on my page. The country got trouble. The people is the problem. Yep. Like, bro, our country is so good, but our people, we don't care. We envy one another. It's sad. It's still sad, man. Sometimes people don't even want to be bothered sometimes. Don't want to be bothered. It's so sad. Anyway, there's nowhere like home. There's nowhere like home, you know. I wanted to go home or go settle down, but look at right now I'm ready to jump out of that bird, jump into Kenya. Go Kenya. Yes. What's that? Look, there goes a cat. There goes a kitty cat. The two of them are here. Oh, that one is like pregnant. Yeah, that's a pregnant cat. Hey, bye. All right, 7 minutes, enough.